An ambulance driver was brutally beaten up in Bengaluru. This is a shocking attack that has been caught on camera. Remember, ambulance, which is considered to be the emergency essential services, and clearly is a vehicle which people give way for. But this man on your screen chased the ambulance and then beat up the ambulance driver. He basically allegedly attacked the driver, we are told, for speeding. But we'll try and get more understanding on this. This was a private ambulance and on way for an emergency treatment that was stopped and targeted by these men in Bengaluru. Sagai Raj is joining me for the latest on that. But let's listen in and let's try to understand what's happening in this video.
AKRS ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನ ಸದಸ್ಯರಾದಂಥ ನೆಲಮಂಗಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಘಟನೆ ನಡೆದಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಆಂಬುಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಚಾಲಕರಿಗೆ ಹಲ್ಲೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಏನು ಕಾನೂನು ಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಕಠಿಣವಾಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಂಬುಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಚಾಲಕರಿಗೂ ಹಲ್ಲೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಸಹಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಣ ಉಳಿಸೋಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಇದೇ ಥರ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು? ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಎರಡು ಸಲ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದಲ್ಲ, ಪದೇ ಪದೇನೇ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ ಇದು ಮುಕ್ತಾಯ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಅದೇನಿದೆ ಆ ಚಾಲಕ ಹಲ್ಲೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಕಠಿಣ ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಬೇಕು.
I want to immediately bring in Sagai Raj for the latest on that. Sagai, tell us, because from what the basic understanding, guideline and protocol is, if there's an ambulance and most likely will be speeding because of the emergency situation, that people give way to that ambulance. What happened here? Was there any provocation of a kind? What unfolded?
See, according to the driver, he was transporting a baby which was in the car along with the mother, and the baby was under oxygen, and he was transporting the baby from Tumukuru, which is a neighboring district of Bengaluru city, to Bengaluru hospital. And when he had overtaken a Innova car, the people inside Innova car were allegedly in inebriated state, and they started to abuse him, and they chased him, and they stopped him near one of the tolls in Nelamangala and thrashed him. And the driver claims that they attacked him just because he has overtook them and sped away much before that Innova could reach that particular toll. And they were furious that the vehicle was overtook them, and that is the reason they have attacked them. And the police have registered a complaint and interrogating further on this particular case. Till yesterday, they were trying to ascertain who are these people. They have the vehicle number. And
it looks like the guy, this ambulance driver, John, was basically saved only by the passers-by, the locals there in Bengaluru who realized that it was an ambulance driver who was facing this road rage.
Absolutely. He was an ambulance driver. It is his duty to drive the vehicle at maximum speed to ensure he takes the patients on time to the hospital, and he has that leverage. But when it comes to these kind of drivers, it is necessary that the police take required action against these people for manhandling the driver.
There appears to be a cop and some other locals who have stopped and intervened. Remember that while there may be other reasons on this as well, the driver says that he did have a child who was on oxygen, had to be taken immediately to a place, and that is when these men got down and targeted him and attacked him for speeding. Ambulances in most cases are allowed to get away to reach their destination. Remember that. Thank you so much, Sagai Raj, for the latest on that, and perhaps a reminder for everyone to keep the tempers at low.